your legs are getting weaker, and you probably don't even realize it yet. One day, standing up from a chair feels just a little harder. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you winded. And before you know it, even short walks feel like workouts. But this isn't just normal aging. It's called muscle loss, silent, gradual, and dangerously overlooked. Here's the truth. Your legs are the first to weaken as you grow older. When they do, your balance falters, your independence fades, and your risk of falling skyrockets. Yet the good news is, it's never too late to rebuild them. Even if you're 70, 80, or 90 years old, your body can still regenerate strength if you give it the right fuel. And the most powerful way to start isn't at the gym. It's in your kitchen. I'm Dr. David Kaplowitz, and I've spent my career helping seniors rediscover the strength they thought they'd lost forever. Again and again, I've seen men and women in their 60s, 70s, and 80s regain energy, balance, and confidence, not with heavy workouts or supplements, but with small, consistent changes in what they eat. Because while exercise keeps your muscles active, nutrition rebuilds them. And certain foods, when eaten regularly, can literally wake up dormant muscle fibers, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong, steady, and independent for decades longer than most people believe possible. In this video, we'll uncover 6 science-backed foods that strengthen your legs from the inside out. Every one of them is easy to find, delicious, and proven to work. And make sure you stay to the very end, because number 1 is something almost every senior already has in the kitchen, but almost no one eats the right way. To understand why food matters so much, we need to talk about a condition called sarcopenia. Beginning around age 50, your body starts losing about 1% of muscle mass each year. By the time you reach 80, that can add up to a 30 to 40% loss of total strength, especially in your legs. And that loss doesn't just make you weaker. It slows your metabolism, affects your balance, and raises your risk of fractures and falls, the number 1 cause of injury-related death in adults over 65. Your leg muscles, the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, are like the foundation of a house. When they weaken, everything above them becomes unstable. Most people think exercise alone can fix it, but studies show that diet plays an equal or greater role in rebuilding muscle after 60. Your muscles are made of protein, but they depend on specific amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants to repair and grow. Without them, no amount of walking or lifting will make a difference. So, if you want stronger legs, even at 90, you start with your plate. 6 sweet potatoes, the fuel that keeps you moving. Think of sweet potatoes as premium fuel for your muscles. Unlike sugary snacks that spike and crash your energy, sweet potatoes deliver steady, slow-burning carbohydrates that feed your muscles for hours. They're loaded with vitamin A, potassium, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Vitamin A repairs the tiny microtears that form in muscle tissue after activity, helping you recover faster. Potassium keeps your muscles hydrated and prevents cramps. And the beta-carotene in that bright orange flesh fights the inflammation that silently eats away at strength. As we age, our cells don't store energy as efficiently. That's why everyday tasks, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, start to feel harder. Sweet potatoes restore that efficiency naturally. Bake them, roast them, or mash them. It doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. A single serving a day can provide the clean, sustained energy that keeps your legs from feeling heavy or sluggish. Every bite helps your muscles breathe easier and your steps feel lighter. 5 oats. The endurance builder. If your legs tire halfway through the day or feel heavy when you climb stairs, oats can help fix that. Most people think of oats as just a breakfast filler, but for seniors, they're one of the most powerful foods for leg endurance. That's because oats release carbohydrates slowly, keeping your blood sugar, and therefore your muscle energy, stable for hours. Oats are also packed with plant-based protein, iron, and magnesium. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles so they can contract smoothly. Magnesium relaxes them afterward, preventing cramps and stiffness. Research from the Journal of Geriatric Nutrition found that seniors who ate a serving of oats daily reported a 28% increase in walking endurance after 8 weeks. You can enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into snacks. The secret is not fancy preparation, it's regularity. Your body responds to habits, not fads. With oats, you'll feel the difference in less than a month. More stamina, fewer cramps, steadier energy from morning to night. For avocados, the flexibility and cramp-fighting superfood. Let's talk about stiffness, that dull ache when you stand up, that tightness after sitting too long. That's inflammation at work. Avocados fight that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats that calm inflammation and protect your muscle fibers from microscopic damage. They also deliver potassium, more than bananas, which keeps your muscles contracting smoothly and prevents nighttime cramps. If you've ever woken up with a painful calf spasm, low potassium might be the culprit. Avocados also contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that repairs stress points in your muscles and improves circulation, so nutrients reach your legs efficiently. Add avocado to toast, blend it into smoothies, or slice it over salad. What matters isn't the recipe, it's repetition. A few servings each week can transform stiffness into fluid movement and help you wake up without that familiar morning ache. 3 berries, the muscle protector and anti-aging powerhouse. Aging is inevitable. Losing strength is not. Every day, your muscles face invisible enemies called free radicals, molecules that damage tissue and accelerate fatigue. Berries are your shield. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they can harm your muscles. They also reduce chronic inflammation, the silent thief of strength and flexibility. Vitamin C in berries boosts collagen production, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints strong and elastic. They also enhance circulation, ensuring your leg muscles get the oxygen they need to recover faster. And there's a bonus. The same antioxidants that protect your legs also support your brain, improving memory and focus. Add a handful to your oats, yogurt, or salads, and you'll nourish both body and mind. 2 salmon, the muscle rebuilder and circulation booster. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles quietly carry your entire body weight. But as you age, your body's ability to repair and rebuild muscle fibers slows down. That's why your legs may begin to feel weaker, heavier, or tire out faster than they used to. This is where salmon steps in as a powerful ally. It's one of the richest natural sources of high-quality protein, the raw material your body needs to repair muscle tissue and keep it strong. But what makes salmon truly special are its omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness and pain. Chronic inflammation is one of the most common causes of weakness and slow recovery in older adults. When that inflammation settles into the legs, it silently erodes strength, flexibility, and mobility. Omega-3s calm that process. They keep your muscles supple, your joints lubricated, and your circulation smooth. Better circulation means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which translates to greater endurance, faster recovery, and fewer cramps. Salmon is also packed with B vitamins, particularly B12, which convert food into energy and support the nerves that control muscle movement. Those nerves are your leg's communication system. When they misfire, balance and coordination suffer. The good news? You don't have to eat salmon daily. 2 or 3 servings a week are enough to make a measurable difference. Grill it, bake it, Or even enjoy canned salmon with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon. Every serving helps rebuild, recharge, and restore your legs from the inside out. When you nourish your body this way, you're not just feeding muscles, you're fueling confidence, independence, and strength. 1. Eggs, the complete strength food. If you ask doctors or nutritionists which single food best rebuilds muscle after 60, most will say the same thing: eggs. Simple, affordable, and incredibly efficient. Eggs contain everything your muscles need to stay strong and responsive. Each egg delivers high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your body requires to repair and grow muscle tissue. And that's only the beginning. Eggs are also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D. Low vitamin D levels are common in seniors and directly linked to muscle weakness, fatigue, and balance problems. By adding just 1 or 2 eggs to your day, you can naturally restore healthy vitamin D levels and support stronger bones and steadier steps. Inside each yolk lies another unsung hero: choline. Choline helps your nerves and muscles communicate smoothly, giving you quicker reactions and better control over your movement. That's what allows you to catch yourself when you stumble or navigate uneven ground with confidence. Eggs also supply antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect cells from oxidative stress, the same stress that accelerates muscle aging. Combined with healthy fats and B vitamins, eggs provide long-lasting energy without sugar spikes or crashes. You don't need many. 1 or 2 eggs daily is enough. Scramble them, boil them, or pair them with vegetables for a nutrient-dense meal. The secret is consistency. When eaten regularly, eggs act as a complete muscle support system, fueling repair, restoring balance, and building the foundation of mobility that keeps you independent. So let's step back for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Your legs are not just limbs that carry you from place to place. They are your body's foundation, the pillars that support every moment of freedom, every walk in the park, every dance at a family wedding. When those muscles weaken, life itself starts to shrink. Chairs get lower, stairs get steeper, walks get shorter. But here's the miracle: the body never stops listening. It doesn't matter if you're 60, 70, or 90. The moment you feed it what it truly needs, it responds, it rebuilds, it strengthens, it wakes back up. Even if you haven't exercised in years, every cell in your body still knows how to grow stronger. It just needs the right signals, the nutrients that tell it you're still alive and you still have work to do. Sweet potatoes fuel your energy. Oats sustain it. Avocados ease stiffness and keep you flexible. Berries shield your muscles from damage. Salmon repairs what time has worn away. And eggs complete the cycle by rebuilding strength from the inside out. These foods aren't exotic, expensive, or complicated. They're simple, accessible, and remarkably powerful. They are your natural defense system against the muscle loss that comes with aging. When you start nourishing yourself with them, something extraordinary happens. Your balance improves. Your steps become lighter. You feel steadier, more energetic, and more in control of your body than you have in years. You begin to realize that aging doesn't mean losing strength. It means learning how to feed it wisely. If this message resonated with you, take a moment right now to give this video a like. It may seem small, but it helps us reach thousands of seniors who need this information. Share this video with a loved one, a parent, a spouse, or a friend who's been struggling with leg weakness or balance issues. Sometimes, one simple video can change someone's outlook entirely. And if this is your first time here, subscribe to Senior Health Secret. Every week, I share practical, science-based guidance to help you move better, age slower, and live stronger. In the comments below, tell me, which of these 6 foods do you already eat? And which one will you start adding this week? Your story might be exactly what another viewer needs to take the first step toward rebuilding their strength. I'm Dr. David Kaplowitz, and this is Senior Health Secret, where we turn wisdom into wellness and make your golden years your healthiest yet. Stay strong, stay steady, and remember, every bite you take toward nourishment is another step toward freedom.